Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. I'm walking downtown right now, about to go get a tattoo. Beautiful day outside. Then we're gonna go hit the shop and see what's up. I believe the car is about to be primed today, so that Civic is about to go boosto mode. Then we have to get it tuned, so should be good. Let's get it. Tattoo is complete. I'll show you guys in a little bit here. But we've got some Evos today. Look at this 10. Ooh, looking fire. Got my 9. Ruben's 9's right there. Got a fresh wash, it looks like. And then this other 10. Look at the boys, hard at work, doing some detailing. You cleaning my car next, right?
Connor did mine.
Oh shit, you doing mine?
Yes, sir.
Dang. Nice and stacked. Fuck yeah. G-Wagon's almost all done, looks like.
Look.
Whoa.
It's carbon.
Fancy. It's actual carbon?
Yeah,
oh, wow. Look at that.
I paid way too much, though.
How much you pay for it?
$20.
20 bucks for that? That's not too bad. Mugen power. So good.
There's nothing muted.
Sugoi.
Chill out, bro. You take out the spark plugs, put in the new ones?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
What's the torque? You know, exact.
Good and tight.
Bro,
Yeah.
what the
Tight,
fuck?
but not too tight. Pulling out spark plugs. Yes. Keep going.
Dude, it's getting tighter. That's not good.
Sus. There you go.
Dude, this isn't right.
Uh-oh.
Ruben!
What?
There's something bad.
What?
All these are tightening when I turn. They're not getting loose.
Tighten it. Don't keep loosening. Tighten it and then.
Oh, what's good?
So.
What's up?
You want to loosen it, and then you want to once it starts getting
It's
tight,
stuck.
tighten it back up. It's not good for egg gross. I don't like those.
They seized the arm, bro. They seized?
No.
Uh-oh.
Ruben?
What?
Ruben?
Break it? No.
Nah, brother, seized.
Just a little bit. It's probably because it's been sitting for a while.
New battery tray going in? Chick-fil-A needs to sponsor us. We go there every day.
I be getting this shit every weekend.
It still spins. God damn, dude, that's just getting tight. Not this one.
Running lines for what? Boost gauge?
This good.
Yep.
Yerp.
Stick that in both ends, and then the key will come off of this one.
Stick it in both ends, Carlo.
We'll just run this.
Okay, we got clamps on now so that this tubing will stay on the T-post.
Where do you want to run it? No, hold on.
I was gonna put it right here.
Yeah, but you gotta tuck it underneath of this stuff if you want to run it underneath.
do that. Alright, so the line goes in through there, comes around, wraps around the motor mount so that it doesn't hit any of the belts or anything, and then pops in right there on the T. And now we're figuring out how to get this gauge in on the other side. Where's your gauge gonna go?
Okay.
Oh, right on top, huh? Does that pod just bolt onto it?
Nah, we have to use self-tappers.
That's what I'm saying. It'll screw into here, though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the gauges are getting put in. He's just putting that line that we ran from the exterior of the car into there, onto the back of the boost gauge, and yeah, should be good to go. Is it gonna be facing the wrong way?
No, the air ratio is fine. The boost is fucking
That's what I'm saying.
sideways.
That one. You've got all the little bells and whistles in this build, huh?
Dude.
Nice touchscreen radio,
Everyone's hating on it because it's easy.
Kenwood
but-
speakers, quick release with a D&D steering wheel. Dual gauge pods in the front right there on the column there. Shit, it's too nice out. I guess I should just take the S2K for a little spin while it's here since Carlo's been driving it. There we go. Boom! Nice. Got the subs in the back. I'm going to plug this in and get some nice tunes going.
I've honestly, I've never
So
seen
this
it.
Tesla has a very interesting issue with the trim where it like kind of oxidizes funny. Connor's got that compound on lock there. Look at that difference. So this has all been hit with a compound, and then you can see kind of right there up into here. This has been hit by compound, and then once again that oxidation. All right, what's going on, boys? Might crank it?
Then yeah, you gotta take the covers off the turbo.
Did you fill it?
Check the dipstick.
Yeah, I was gonna say, check. Let's just make sure there's oil in that bitch. Is there? It looks like there is.
That's too much.
Wipe it off.
Too much?
No.
Wipe it off. Try it again.
Ow!
Battery in. Very nice. Very nice.
Positive then negative, right? Negative then positive.
First put the one on the right.
Alright. Where's my keys at?
Fresh pink.
Where's my actual keys at? 'Cause that's yours.
Good question. Probably in the box.
Then you can use Mikey and just fucking.
Oh yeah, Civics
No,
be
actually,
like
it
that.
works.
Civics be whack, dude.
I've tried it before.
In his car?
No, like in general. I've tried
Oh
it before.
yeah.
It works.
And then, like, if someone does like spraying everywhere.
Okay.
All right, we'll check it out.
Wait. Before you do that,
Is it ground?
Oh.
Feel real?
disconnect that.
Oh, injectors.
Oh, fuck, just gonna case. Oh wait.
Hold on.
Hold on, don't go. I can't even get that bitch off.
Squeeze it.
On the side?
No.
From the front?
The wire.
There you go.
There. Go.
Hold on. Just prime it a couple times. See if it sprays fuel out of anywhere.
Wait, how would?
Just turn the key back, accessory. Turn the key back, accessory. Just so the fuel pump turns on. Yeah. Is it spraying anywhere?
I hear it. One more.
Stop. Fucking
That
name.
injector's leaking?
No, from this. It's
Oh,
leaking.
Just
I knew I saw something.
I can smell it for sure.
Dun 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 dun.
Dun dun
Yep.
dun dun dun.
and then you guys gotta figure out easily.
Yeah, it's still leaking. Fuck, stop. What the fuck, man?
What the fuck, man? Is it gonna tighten? Like
No,
that?
it's because it grabs onto the shore.
That's what I'm saying.
It's good.
Sick.
All right, chief.
Go.
Bend it over a couple. Roll your window down.
Yeah, that's what I fucking said.
Roll it down. All the way.
Stop being a little bitch.
The injectors
it's
and the
going to start.
distributor's unplugged. You're just spinning
Oh,
the
okay.
engine.
Fucking
As if you were
wall.
gonna start it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, more than that.
Stop.
Nice.
Yo, that sounds loud as fuck.
It's even cranked and it's loud as fuck.
Well, you can just tell how loud it is already, though.
Dude, it's gonna be like.
Oh, before you do it again.
I already checked it.
Checked oil one more time.
What is that noise?
The Tesla.
All right, crank it. Crank
Go.
it again.
Yeah.
You can now.
See it, bro.
Alright, please up. Are you cranking it up? Yep. What?
Is you ready for a map, a bass map, and a tune?
That's not getting a bass map. It's just getting full tune.
Oh, well. Full tune.
Look at that, it's Archie's face! Whoa! 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 Oh fuck, my steering wheel.
There you go.
Whoa!
What is he doing? Drifting in a fucking front-wheel drive car?
It's rear-wheel drive converted.
You wish.
Oh, perfect. Thanks.
Replacing some of the fuses on the amp
I
there.
hope this bitch don't spark. Dude, what is that? What's the gold thing? Feel real?
It's valve cover.
Two ITBs?
Look, bro, this bitch is gonna go. Wow, pow, pow. Right before you go in a second?
Boom.
Yeah, then you shift a second, right?
No.
Well, no. Watch it blow.
See, like, he's talking shit now.
He stays talking to you.
Dude, I always talk shit.
More than me?
Not more than you. You talk the most shit.
Oh, hold on. This mirror's actually pretty fucking sick.
You know the vibe.
What are you breaking now?
Nothing.
Nothing, don't worry about it. Yeah.
Why is there fucking duct tape on this shit? Ghetto.
Hey, don't take that off.
It fell off.
It falls
tape?
off. Yeah, it falls off.
Really?
It dips down. No, just show me how to connect it. I know how to connect it from the air.
So yeah, you just need
RCA cable.
positive and negative.
Yeah, I meant on the actual sub.
Red is positive.
No, I know that.
Then what do you need help with?
Yeah, I guess that works.
Alright, so Kobe's just put Dylan's ECU into his car. So, if it starts up immediately, then it's not an ECU issue. There's something else wrong with this car. But we're hoping it doesn't, so that we know it's the ECU.
It's an exhaust, and he has an exhaust.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's fucked.
This car is fucked! Wait, what if we started this car with his ECU?
It's on a pop.
Wacky. Oh yeah, he can switch the maps on it.
He doesn't have the
I don't have cruise control.
Oh, ripperoni.
Yeah.
That stock steering wheel life is no longer alive.
Yeah, I have no chance.
Yo, but that quick release life though.
Yeah, right.
Woohoo!
Yeah, he's right behind you.
It's beautiful out today. Nice on the sound here. Got the Evo, got the truck. Eric. This guy just stopped by and said hi to me. That's cool.
He's in a Subaru too.
In the Subaru that he called the Slowbaru. Well, he's like, I think I recognize you.
Might have seen him.
Do you work at Honda? I was like, nope.
No, I work at Subaru.
Subaru, but he has one, so it might be.
Slowbaru, and I didn't even realize he had one.
I know, right? What's up, Thomas?
What up?
We find ourselves on the docks.
We have a grill.
Lawn chairs and a grill on this.
And then we just send, we're leaving! And then we're just cooking, and we just send ourselves out into the ocean.
That'd be fire.
That'd be fire. Here's the plan. We're
Yeah.
gonna set up barbecue, some lawn chairs. We're gonna have a
And then
cook-off.
cut all the ropes.
Right, we gotta untie these ropes here and send ourselves out there. So
Towards the sunset.
towards the sunset. Fucking love.
I can't.
That cat's living life. Probably eats a lot of fish.
Does
Oh, yeah.
Does it swim? Do you think?
Well, absolutely. Look, it probably is trained to kill seagulls and shit.
Trained to
It
kill
probably like
seagulls.
snatch the fish out of the water and uses it as bait and hides behind the fucking pole there and just like launches them.
Oh, he's chilling.
I want the pussy.
Thomas wants the pussy. Oh, he's like, nah, fam. The birds. All of the birds. We're just hanging and ganging. Oh, there's two of them. What the? Hello, friends. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, they're fighting. Fuck them up. This cat is so racist. As soon as I got up next to it, it just like said no. Is he getting on the gonzo? Oh, he's getting on the gonzo. Goodbye. He went gonzo.